Hello friends, are you ready to manage Automatic CSS at your live site using your favorite AI agent? This is exactly what we are going to do now with Schema for Automatic CSS. So I have created a demo site with a very basic style guide for preview purposes and to see how we can interact with the agent in Claude and get updates at the live site. Claude, can you please get me a summary of the Automatic CSS settings at my Schema demo site, please? Okay, so it's giving me a visual output of what's included at the live site right now. So essentially it's fetching the Automatic CSS styles. One thing that we have with the typography display is that since it's loaded in an iframe, Claude cannot always fetch the right font family from the Google API. So for font families, it doesn't work always. Okay, can we try another color palette, please? And let's try with outfit font. Okay, it's asking me a couple of questions in numbered format, which I have specifically asked the agent to do that in the plugin settings. So let's go for bold and high contrast, replace everything. Okay. Give me a visual of the typographic scale, please. Okay, nice. Now it's fetching the right font. I like it. Can you push these changes to the live site? Apply, yes. Okay, nice. Now essentially it's going to download the Google font to the actual website and assign it in one of the 5 available font family slots in Automatic CSS. So font loaded, and now it's patching the colors. Okay, correct. Now if we refresh the page, it worked. Now can you save this ACSS setup as a new kit? Let's call it bold red. Okay. And now, in the plugin settings, under the kits page, I should see bold red added in my kits collection. Okay, and now at any point I can apply any of these kits to my ACSS setup. Okay. Keep it as a separate snapshot for now. Now if we refresh the page, indeed we see the border radius has been updated. Now Claude, are you ready for some work with the Figma MCP? Because I want you to update this color palette to my Figma file so we can start experimenting with some design there. Can you do that? Sorry guys, I'm not going to do that in this video, but I promise it will be one of the upcoming ones. For now, let me know what you think about Schema, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!